Let's go, Auburn Warehouse!
One, two, three! Come on in, folks. We are open for business here at Sparks, Nevada.
This is April. We're here from Reno, Nevada. I can't wait to do some shopping here. We've picked up a t-shirt, a beanie, and a couple of little small things for now. We can come back later, get some lights and some other things for the truck, maybe one of the camper tops. So love this place. I'm so glad we're here and can't wait.
So we're here today at ORW Warehouse where they're having a pretty awesome raffle, new opening. It's pretty rad. Amazing new showroom. Check everything out. It'll be a blast. Great prices, great deals, great products. Come on down.